today. Welcome to our Techtalk channel about our live stream about technology and all everything about cryptocurrency. This is now our main topic is about the Bitcoin fact rally or real breakout. There is a SAP ETH opportunity Techtalk discussion. Yeah. And Mr. Nicholas, just now we discussed something about cryptocurrency on our service channel, and now we have a little bit about on technology about why Bitcoin, sure. Why the price go up, is a real true or not, and something about the some of the giant the the payment system like PayPal, the other stuff in Mastercard, they adopt Bitcoin, they adopt cryptocurrency nowadays. Yeah, that is the main thing we want to share to our audience. Yeah.
And so you can begin with this Bitcoin thing, this resistance to Bitcoin thing.
Yeah, that's why in clip we see the PayPal introduce the new feature of buying and selling crypto. If you want to invest in Bitcoin, you just go into PayPal to buy a little bit in crypto. Yeah, now it's really easy for us, easy for you to buy crypto with your credit card, with your PayPal account, and the price of Bitcoin is go up. As soon on the news, it reached 13,000. It made the 13,000 K,
$13,000.
$13,000 since 2019. Yeah. And however, PayPal is stripping several settlement Bitcoin feature from its product. Yeah. That is one of the new blog this morning. PayPal company kickstarted online money transfer industry that will allow users to buy Bitcoin via its app website. It's nice and that's new make a lot of people wondering, how to buy Bitcoin. However, I think it's a little bit high fee. The fee is a little bit high, and we can see the Ripple CEO also involved to see payment pioneer learning, and he then a common friend Ripple also speculating PayPal is remain caution because crypto regulatory uncertainty within the US.
This is what is slowing the US crypto movement. Crypto development in US or rather progress of the crypto in the US is all because of the regulations. So if the government in the US is taking their own sweet time with all the regulations and all this, then I believe that the crypto progress will be a lot slower than Asian countries, because Asian countries are really very fast. I mean, you're talking about being far and way ahead in terms of firstly the adoption, then secondly the regulations, and then thirdly the people, how ready the people are and how much the people actually know. So because Asia, we have many different countries in Asia, and because of that we have many different clusters of mindset. We have many different languages as well. So because of all this diversified diversity, so we see that when one country is way ahead in terms of crypto progress, development and all, everyone else was like, that country is doing this, we can do it too. So once you have another country start to do that, and then you start to have one more country coming in, one more country in, so it becomes very fast. Whereas in the West, just imagine it's US, you have 300 million people, and then this one single government say, we have to be slow on crypto. I don't think they say that, but they are basically saying, oh, we need this, we need that we need this regulation, that regulation, and they're taking a long time to do that. So if you are collectively slow as a country, and then these Asian countries collectively move really fast because everyone is trying to compete with one another. So that is why Asia moves very fast, and I think the West is slightly slower. But in terms of CBDC, you see, Central Bank of Bahamas is already launching their CBDC. So
Yeah, that's right.
we still don't hear anything from the
Yeah.
US.
Yeah, this is one of the news when I see this country they launched the CBDC after the Chinese government launched up the CBDC.
Yes,
and
yes.
a lot of country nowadays, not only in Asia but also in Europe, they launch up their own CBDC. Yeah, and that is a chance for the cryptocurrency. Yeah, and we have a look more information about the technology stuff here. Ethereum, this one, JavaScript smart contract project type chaining for speedy DeFi data. We hear a lot of information about the DeFi, and here's the Chainlinks. They want this the project in the Chainlinks, one of the DeFi protocol project, and they show that they run the smart contract in JavaScript. This one is more detailed in the technology, and this say to us, the share to us is interesting. Let me show you in brief. Yeah, allow the changing interaction available testnet, the plan for the mainnet launch in 2021. Yeah, it's shared to us algorithm allow developer to build smart contract using a JavaScript. Yeah, secure. They say this is one of the world's most popular and secure programming language. Yeah. In my opinion, the JavaScript not only the secure programming language, because in the other work they block a lot of JavaScript on most of the website because they afraid that the JavaScript may contain some of the script can collect the data and information. Yeah, but I think the JavaScript is one of the world's most popular programming language. Yeah, that's right. But with the smart contract, if they use the JavaScript, it's also nice, and it's easy to develop for most of the developers. And this information to share is they want to share to us to advertise their product, to advertise their project, the Chainlink project. They want the speedy DeFi data. It show to us some of the pros and cons of the DeFi, because a lot of DeFi project is based on the smart contract and based on the strength of the developer. If they can make it good on the lock fiat, the money in the smart contract itself. If not, all of the investor money will go to the thin air. Yeah, that's the swap had to act. One more news is very nice about why cyber criminal and terrorists keep using Bitcoin.
It's fast. You can transfer the Bitcoin anywhere and everywhere and anytime and all the time. So basically for them it is the fastest way they can get the money across. It can and of course, if you are using Bitcoin, I'm in the early days. Early day means couple of years back. Yeah. So all these criminals, they, because their identity is not revealed, so nobody know who they are. They only know that this particular wallet have